Hello, could you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Alyosha Yenko. I'm originally from Slovenia, living now in London for 2 years, and before that I was living in California for 3 years. And I'm a founder and the president of HD Pool, which is a major Central and Eastern European ad network focusing on emerging markets and having international reach.
Could you describe the company you represent?
So basically, HD Pool is an advertising network. We're helping agencies and clients on one side to advertise on the internet, and on the other side we're representing publishers to monetize better their inventory. So we started in Slovenia in 2000, and since then we expanded to the former Yugoslavian countries, Macedonia, Bosnia, Serbia, Croatia. And from then we expanded further in CE region, also from Austria down to Bulgaria, Romania, and Czech. Set up a London office as a hub, and also now moved to other emerging regions. In Asia, where we have 3 offices now, in India, in Hong Kong and Singapore, and setting up partnerships and launching companies now across Latin American region, Middle East, and looking forward to explore and to really build this strong niche in the emerging market space.
You have had a panel discussion now. What are the main points of it?
So basically we were discussing what the major key success factors are in terms of expansion. And a couple of points were you have to really know and understand the markets. It's very beneficial if you started with joint venture partners, having very strong incentivized local teams, focus on client side. And we also figured out, the opinion of the participant was that you don't necessarily require an investment to expand. You can do it in a creative way and purely organically. Sometimes this helps if you want to speed up all this expansion, but it's not a pre-requirement. So the panel basically discussed of what's the most important thing as well, besides the markets and the expansion. We also thought that at the end people are the crucial factor. There's expansion and the local teams as well, and that's more or less it.
How can you estimate this event, the conference?
I think it's a very good event. It's giving startups and entrepreneurs an insight in the venture capital world. It's presenting this concept for the first time for most of the people. Answers the most essential questions: why do you need money, for what, how can you expand your business, how can you grow your business from basically an idea, and also connects investors with potential companies. And I think the atmosphere is great. It was like a very good atmosphere, people are enjoying it, there are great discussions, panels, and I think it's going to be beneficial and it should be done also in other countries as well.
Thank you.
Welcome.